My name is Phllippe Mouchel from PM24 Bistro and Rotisserie on 24 Russell Street. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect chicken. Let's go. What is important when you cook a chicken is to have a free range and organic chicken. We use at PM24 the Milawa chicken. So it's a chicken who weighs about 1.5 kilo. We're going to clean, season and stuff the chicken. So you remove the wishbone. By removing your wishbone, it will be easy once the chicken is cooked to carve the chicken. Season with salt, pepper, we add rosemary, we add lemon, and also some garlic, fresh garlic. So we at PM24 trust with a needle. It's very important to trust the chicken because while it's cooking, it'll keep this nice shape. So this is a professional technique. If you do it at home, there is a more simple technique, which you just do a knot with a string around the leg first, like that. You turn the chicken. This is the easy way. We season it again on all sides. We at PM24 usually roast our chicken in this rotisserie. It's a self-basting, it's a bit of theater as well. But at home you don't always have a rotisserie. So it's of course possible to cook it in your own oven. So I recommend to cook it in an iron cast pot like we have here. So it's quite easy to roast a chicken. The best way to cook a chicken is what we call 15-15-15. It's 15 minutes on one side, 15 minutes on the other side, and another 15 minutes on the back in the oven at around 170-175 degrees. We add a small piece of butter, just to give some extra flavor and to shine the skin as well. So delicately remove from the pot, and you can rest the chicken for about 10 minutes. The resting is very important. The resting allows the juice to get back in a meat and make sure the chicken will stay and remain moist. So first, we remove all the strings and you start by carving the legs. And then the breast, to carve the breast, you just follow the bone. It's quite easy. You remember we removed the wishbones. That allows you to carve the chicken very easily. Cut at the joint, like that. And it'll come very easily. I like to serve my chicken with some roasted vegetable. We have onion, pumpkin, zucchini, carrot, swede as well. I mean, any seasonal vegetable is good. And then we finish with a little bit of chicken jus on the top. and it's ready to be served. Bon appétit!